Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp garlic butter sauce. First, begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, just until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to let it brown, as this can make the garlic taste bitter. This initial step sets the perfect aromatic foundation for your delicious sauce. After the garlic is fragrant, it's time to infuse more flavor into our sauce. Stir in about 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. This liquid addition helps to create a smoother consistency and adds a lovely depth of flavor. Let the sauce simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing all those wonderful aromas to meld together beautifully. This step is crucial for developing a rich and well-rounded taste. Now, let's brighten up our sauce with some fresh elements. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This adds a wonderful zesty tang that cuts through the richness of the butter. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, which provides a beautiful pop of color and a fresh, herbaceous note. Finally, season the sauce with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring all the flavors are perfectly balanced. Your delicious garlic butter sauce is now ready for the star of the show, the shrimp. Add your freshly cooked shrimp directly into the skillet with the sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each succulent shrimp is thoroughly coated in that rich, aromatic butter. Serve this incredible dish immediately over your favorite pasta, fluffy rice, or with some warm, crusty bread to soak up every last drop. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.